Hey guys, welcome to Portal! Yes, like I said in one of the other videos, I believe it was Brady's Slime Rancher video, I am doing a Portal series. I'm going to be doing Portal 1 and Portal 2. I hope this won't take long, and I hope this is good, but let's get into it. I played, over the course of quarantine, I've played this game a lot, and I beat it a lot of times, so I know what to do. Oops. Sorry. Awesome music. If it's a little high, I'm sorry. But in fact, let me turn that down. Options. Mouse audio. There you go. That's good. So, welcome to Portal. Believe me, this series is gonna be fun. I promise.
Hello, and again, welcome to the
Hello,
Aperture
Gladys.
Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center. We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all enrichment center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from Stand back.
I don't even know what she said.
The portal will open in 3, 2, 1.
Yo! Back when Portal was made, this was really good detailed. I mean, really good. Come here, Black. Boop. There we go.
Excellent. Please proceed into the chamber lock after completing each test. First, however, note the incandescent particle field across the exit. This Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grill will vaporize any unauthorized equipment that passes through it. For instance, the Aperture Science Weighted Storage Cube.
I know what happens. I know how to do this stuff.
Please place the weighted storage cube on the 1500 megawatt Aperture Science Heavy Duty Super Colliding Super Button.
Some of these tests you gotta wait though. Until you get your own portal gun. That's a whole lot of fun.
Perfect. Please move quickly to the chamber lock, as the effects of prolonged exposure to the button are not part of this test.
We're gonna have a real fun time.
You're doing
Yes.
very well. Please be advised that a noticeable taste of blood is not part of any test protocol, but is an unintended side effect of the Aperture
There it
Science
is.
Material Emancipation
The
Grill,
portal
which
gun.
may, in semi-rare cases, emancipate dental fillings, crowns, tooth enamel, and teeth.
I'm sorry if you can barely hear. Oh God, hear me, but
Very good. You are now in possession of the Aperture Science handheld portal device. With it, you can create your own portals. These intradimensional gates have proven to be completely safe. The device, however, has not. Do not touch the operational end of the device. Do not look directly at the operational end of the device. Do not submerge the device in liquid, even partially. Most importantly, under no circumstances should you... Well done. Remember, the Aperture Science
that one
bring
was
your
an
daughter...
easy one. Arch workday is the perfect time to have her tested. I don't know why Gladys didn't finish that.
Welcome to Test Chamber 4. You're doing quite well. Once again, excellent work. As part of our required test protocol, we will not monitor the next test chamber. You will be entirely on your own. Good luck.
I'm sorry if I'm not talking much, but really, in order to hear Gladys say funny stuff, I gotta be quiet. Soon I'm gonna be talking a lot, because there's a lot that goes on. I even found a glitch in this game. There's lots of glitches, but I found a funny one.
As part of a required test protocol, our previous statement suggesting that we would not monitor this chamber was an outright fabrication. Good job. As part of a required test protocol, we will stop enhancing the truth in 3, 2...
When this game came out, this game was like really well done for a game like this. It was really well done.
While safety is one of many, unbelievable. You
Subject name here.
must be the pride of.
Subject hometown here.
Aww. I don't know. Actually, even in Portal 2, I never learned her hometown.
Warning devices are required on all mobile equipment. However, alarms and flashing hazard lights have been found to agitate. Good. Now use the aperture science unstationary scaffold to reach the chamber lock.
Well, first, yeah. Can I get back in? Coming in. Oh.
Good. Now use the aperture science unstationary scaffold to reach the chamber lock.
Kidding me? Sorry guys. I messed up. Can you come back? No? Usually don't have struggle with this part. Hi, me. Now we wait. Which of these things went faster? I'm sure everybody knows Portal, right? Type in the comments down below if you don't. Cause really, you don't know Portal? Weird. If you don't, weird.
Please note that we have added a consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber
The
floor
recording
will
stops,
result in an
so
unsatisfactory
I might say
mark on your
stuff
official
when the
testing
recording is
record,
stopped, so.
followed by death.
Ouch.
Consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber floor will result in an unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death. Good luck. Consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber floor will result in an unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death. Good luck.
Ow.
Consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber
I know how
floor
to
will
do this.
result in an unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death. Good luck.
Ugh. Whew. Then I got onto that. Hello. And huh.
Very impressive. Please note that any appearance of danger is merely a device to enhance your testing experience.
I believe when it loads, the recording stops, so I might say stuff while the recording is stopped and it won't go into the cut. Or maybe it
The
will. I'm
Enrichment
not sure.
Center regrets to inform you that this next test is impossible. Make no
Next
attempt
test
to
is
solve
easy. Yeet.
it. Fantastic. You remained resolute and resourceful in an atmosphere of extreme pessimism.
Halfway point of this video.
Hello again. To reiterate, previous one. Momentum. Spectacular. You appear to understand how a
I know this
portal
one.
affects forward momentum, or to be more precise, how it does not.
I know this one. This one's funny. No.
Momentum, a function of mass and velocity, is conserved between portals. In layman's terms, speedy thing goes in, speedy thing comes out.
Yahoo! Oh god, that's gonna make me sick. Okay. I am trying to record 2 videos per week now. Which is hard to do with school, but it's easy. Because, seriously, come on. It's video
The
games.
Enrichment Center promises to always provide a safe testing
Oh,
environment.
oh, 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 oh.
In dangerous testing environments, the Enrichment Center promises to always provide useful advice. For instance, the floor here will kill you. Try to avoid it.
Thanks. Uh-oh. Nailed it. You serious? Let me out. Serious right now? Thank you. I believe if you get hit by one of those portals, it will kill you.
The device has been modified so that it can now manufacture 2 linked portals at once. As part of an optional test protocol, we are pleased to present an amusing fact.
Seriously?
The device is now more valuable than the organs and combined incomes of everyone in.
Subject hometown here.
Gladys, you won't tell me my hometown? You won't tell me my name? I know this person's name. 'Cause I know Portal. Yeet. If people do, if anybody in the comments says they don't, then I won't say it, but if people in the comments say they do, then in one of these videos I might say this person's name, but it'll be quick and I won't tell you when I'm saying it.
Get
So
your feet up, fling yourself. Fling into space.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Are you serious right now? Huh. I like this game. There is one level in particular that's difficult, but I can get through it. Kind of. It's a kind of thing. So.
Now that you are in control of both portals, this next test could take a very, very long time. If you become lightheaded from thirst, feel free to pass out. An intubation associate will be dispatched to revive you with peptic salve and adrenaline.
Yep. That's one down. Okay. No, it's out there.
To ensure the safe performance of all authorized activities, do not destroy vital testing apparatus.
I don't care. You seriously just took me away from my family. No? Nothing, Gladys? Nothing you have to say for yourself?
As part of
Done.
our previously mentioned required test protocol, we can no longer lie to you. When the testing is over, you will be missed.
Thanks. Appreciate it. I hope everybody out there is watching me. And that I will be missed. Oh, this
All
one's
subjects
quite a
intending
long
to
one.
handle high-energy gamma leaking portal technology must be informed that they
Okay.
may be informed of applicable regulatory compliance issues. No further compliance information is required or will be provided, and you are an excellent test subject.
Thanks, Gladys. I am going to leave this episode off here. Because this one takes a little longer than we have time for. It takes a little bit longer than 2 minutes. So, I will leave this episode off here. I really hope you guys enjoyed Portal. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more Portal content. See y'all in the next one. Rexichu out.